What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mills over here with another sneaker review. Sorry for my voice, it's a little cracked right now. I think I'm coming down with another cold. I can't seem to shake these colds. Every time I get over one, I get another. I'm trying to get this review out, so I apologize for the voice. It might crack a couple times. Let's start off with the box. Got that Flight on the top, black cement print on the bottom. Under the box, the Flight lettering with the Jumpman. Got your Nike swoosh air sole Jumpman. And the bottom of the box, Nike branding stuff. You got Nike, One Bowman, Drive, you know how that go. Box made in China. Over here you got air sole brand. Shoe contains air sole brand insoles. Back you got the Jumpman with the air. Under the box, let's check out the size tag. Air Jordan 4 Retro, size 12. Black, fire red, cement gray. Retail price is $200. Suggested retail is $200. So plus tax, I end up paying, I think it was $217.40, something like that. But yeah, so let's get into this review for you guys real quick. And again, I apologize for the voice. Bam! And they finally arrived. Jordan 4 Breds. They won't release until May 4th, but I got them early through the Snkrs app on the shock drop that happened, so I was able to scoop them up. So let's get into the review. You got your hand tags. This is Nike Air on it. You got your eyelets in gray. Right there, you got your black flat laces on the tongue. You got that Jumpman with the Flight word right there. That Flight lettering. On the inside, in the back of the tongue, you got your Air Jordan upside down. Because when you smack it like this, it says Air Jordan. Bam, bam. On your insole, you got your Nike Air in red. Your insole's red. And then you got your Nike Air in black, as you can see from the video. And of course, bam. That Nike Air on the back. Looks amazing. I tried these puppies on already. I would say go true to size. True to size will do it. If you want a little bit more room, go up half the size. But I mean with Jordans, true to size is pretty much good. Only thing I go up half the size is Jordan 1s. 4s I usually stay size 12, and also Jordan 3s I wear a 12, Jordan 6s I wear a 12, so it's pretty much the same. You got that black netting. You got the black wings, one on each side. Okay, you got that pull, that back tab on the top. I don't think there's anything behind it. Let me just double check for you guys. Nope, nothing back there. But that, it's all about that anyway. That Nike Air looks really good. Hopefully these won't crack on the midsole. You got that white midsole with that black. And the air bubbles, is that gray in there? It looks, no, I think it's white inside the air bubble. But you got your air bubble, got your black on this side, and you got your hints of gray right there. The material, it seems pretty good. Seems like your regular, well, it's a little bit softer actually. I can't really remember my 2012 Jordan 4s, how they felt. But I think this feels a little bit better. It feels like it might have felt a little bit better, but that was, what, almost 7 years ago, so I don't know. Who knows for sure. But this is what they look like. This is a go for me. I love them. I'm gonna probably be wearing these tomorrow. I'm gonna rock them out. On the bottom, there you go. You got your Nike with your swoosh. You got your red on the back, gray. You got your white piece in the middle there, and your red toe cap. Look at that beautiful toe cap with your gray stitching to match it up. Also black stitching all over, of course. I mean, this is just a classic shoe. You can never go wrong with you can't go wrong with these. You can't go wrong with the black cement 3s. You can't go wrong with the infrared 6s, and you definitely can't go wrong with the black and red 1s. But everybody pretty much calls them Bred 1s, and these they call Bred 4s. But this is the black cement gray. 4s. It's a really good shoe, man. I'm telling you, if you guys want these, definitely pick them up. I wouldn't sleep on these. I know they might be in all places and sizing and all that stuff. I know they're coming out family sizing. You might want to get your connects up, find somebody that can get them for you. Even if you get them a few days early, just get them a few days early to not deal with the hassle, you know what I mean? It's worth it sometimes. For these, I'm definitely going to try to get me another pair. I like to double up on the shoes that I love. As I posted a picture a while back, check it out right here. I said the only thing I was missing was Bred 4s, black and red 4s, black cement 4s. I mean, everybody has different names. Sometimes I switch it up. Sometimes I'll say black cement, sometimes I'll say Bred. But this is what I was missing out of those. I had a picture of, as the picture shows, I had the black cement 3s and the infrared 6s, and I had a little picture on my phone of these right here. So these are gonna be something, man. I'm gonna wear these like crazy, kind of like I did with my black cement 3s and them joints. You know what's crazy? Them black cement 3s, they still have not cracked on the midsole. You know how the midsole always used to crack crazy, right? Like, oops, sorry. You know, like right here. You know how it used to always crack crazy. My black cement 3s still haven't cracked. Hold on, let me get them real quick. Check this out, guys. Look, these are my beaters. Look at this. Barely anything. These are my beaters. So y'all can see these are my beaters, my black cement 3 beaters. And these things go through everything because I wear them damn near all the time. Whenever I get a day off, I got these on my feet. It's rare if I put anything else on unless I'm going out with the missus and my son. Then I might wear something else. But these beaters, look at that. Look at that. I pray that the 4s are the same way. They don't crack. Because I think Jordan Brand has figured out how to keep them from cracking. So I wear those like crazy, religiously. Look at that heel drag. I wear these like crazy. But you can't go wrong. Look at the scuffing that these bad boys have. Good thing I have another pair in the cut. But the scuffing on these is crazy. There you guys have it, man. We got the black, fire red, cement gray, Air Jordan 4 Retro with that Nike Air on the booty. You know that thing is lovely. There ain't nothing better than that right there. I love that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if we get this camera to focus. Woo! Amazing. Amazing. Well, guys, sorry again for the voice. It's cracking on me. I was trying to get this video out as early as possible because my voice will probably get worse throughout the night. Rate, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and I'm out. Peace.